Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the New Indian Express newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 18, 2023, hard Sudoku. Third grade, column G and column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 1. 7 can't come these cells. 1 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 6th row and 7th row, we have pair numbers 173. So 173 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. Column F will add 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column E we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. We can confirm 7 also here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column J we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column F, column G, we have pair numbers 6 and 5. So 6 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 8, 9, 2. Column G, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Second row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Second grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 4. Column E, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Second row and 4th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Third row and 4th row, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column H and third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row, we have pair numbers 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B, column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 6th row, column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 5th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column H, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column J we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column J we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. The 9th grade and 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column J we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 4th row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 4th row we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 3rd row, only 1 number is remaining, 7, 7 is confirmed here. Column G, only 1 number is remaining, 1, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column C, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column C, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.